So I'm at the store and I'm laughing because I've always wanted to do this, but I've never just really decided, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. So here we go. This is what I wanna get. I wanna get one of these air horns right here. So I'm gonna grab this. Never used one before, but you know, we might get a good scare out of it for the girls. So I'm down here in my laundry room right now, and I'm gonna get the air horn ready to see if I can scare Kendall. So here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, I got it all put together. So here we go. Oh, Tucker jumped more than you did. Did you like your surprise?
I knew it wouldn't be good.
You what?
I knew it wouldn't be good.
You knew it wouldn't be good?
Yeah, then why? Yeah.
I thought it was good.
It wasn't good.
Well, you think it'll be good when we get your sister or your mom?
Yeah, look at the dog. You scared him. He's shaking.
It's okay. He'll be all right. So, Kendall just got out of the shower. That's why her hair is all wet. But we are going to go try to use the air horn and scare Carrie and Delaney because they're both talking in the same room. This might not go over so well because Delaney's not very happy with me right now. So we might get a really bad reaction, but we're gonna give it a try anyway. You
Really?
ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna do that.
You want the light with this? That light doesn't work.
Oh, that doesn't work?
No.
Is it, what is it, the middle one?
No.
This one? Middle, not the middle.
No. No, that's the fan. Oh, now you gotta like.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll fix it. You guys seen second? Oh, there he is. Okay.
Okay.
Did she get you?
That was scary. That hurt my high ears.
Did she get you, Laney? Tucker's probably scared and shaken again. I know. He's the unwitting victim of being twice. I got Kendall earlier, so.
Poor Tucker.
Hey,
Oh,
Laney.
he's shaky.
Laney, did you like your surprise?
Oh.
That was the surprise. What do you think, Kara? You know, you knew I had the
loud.
you knew I had the air horn, but you didn't know
Yeah,
what I
you
was
know
going to
what
do
you're
with
gonna
it.
do. Yeah,
All right.
that was scary. That
So-
hurt my ears.
Maybe
You're making the dog shake. I can feel it.
He's shaking.
He's so
it's okay.
bad.
It's okay, Bubba. We just were
Dad,
joking around.
that's so bad.
He's okay.
Now he deserves a treat.
We can give him a
want a
treat.
treat?
You want a treat?
You want to go get a treat?
Well, come
Go get a
on.
treat.
Let's go get a treat. Come on. Well, come on. See, he's fine now. Well, come on. Let's get one.
What?
Tucker, you want to get a treat?
treat?
Well, let's go. See, he's not scared no more. Where's your treats? Where are they? Where's your treats? Well, they're in there. Go get it. Go get them. Come on. Let's get a treat for Tucker. Mom's hiding them under the potatoes. Ooh, there's a treat for Tucker. What do you think, buddy? Get it? Yeah. Well, that was a lot of fun. We got a couple scares out of some people there. Hey, tell me what you thought of that. You guys like scaring people, or do you like to be scared, or you guys just can't stand it at all? You got any other pranks that you think are funny that maybe I should try? Go ahead and leave a comment on what you thought about the video, and then leave some more suggestions for me. If you got anything else that you'd like to see me try, you know, as they come in, I will go ahead and take them into consideration and see if there's anything we can put to practical use. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.